Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Let me share with you how I analyze market today and help my traders to squeeze amazing pips. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing community. Let's dig into the system. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar Card. Euro USD, pretty straightforward guys. We've been short from here. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, you can watch. The video link is given in the description. So we've been short from yesterday. You can see here we bank amazing profit, and today we also had a beautiful short trade here. And let me share with you the analysis. We are heading towards the end of the month and end of the second quarter. Market was challenging this morning, but afternoon we managed beautiful pips. All right, you can see here we've been short from yesterday. So this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. As always, look for based on the momentum. You can see here that was the beautiful breakout, bank beautiful pip just before London Open, and I said to you guys look for another pullback at this level. So we had another beautiful pullback, as you can see here based on the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward, beautiful pullback short trade here. Once we bank some profit, I explained to my trader, let's wait for because we had a high impact news at the New York session. So at the New York session, you can see here another beautiful breakout, and afterwards price broken this previous low. In analysis, I say guys look for another pullback, beautiful short trade on EURUSD, bank amazing profit guys, most of the traders. Let's move into the Pound Dollar. Pound Dollar was a pretty straightforward. We've been short from yesterday. As you can see here, we have this beautiful breakout. And today we were also expecting a pullback, bearish engulfing candle, beautiful short trade on Pound Dollar. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward guys. If you show you, let me give you. Okay, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so you can see here, this is the analysis at the London morning session, as explained to my trader, because that's what we explain with the live analysis. Look for at this pullback. You can see here that was a beautiful pullback short trade here. Price hit to the previous level, bank few pp's, and afterwards I say guys let's wait for another pattern. As you can see here, price develop another pattern. We also had this short trade here. I say guys if the price gonna break, then keep, because we have bearish engulfing candle in the 4-hour chart. You can see here we had this pullback. After this pullback, breakout, and then pullback, and then pullback, beautiful based on the momentum. Trader really enjoyed it, all this pullback on Pound Dollar. So at the New York session, as you can see here, the another beautiful breakout, price nicely broken, and afterwards beautiful short trade we had it on Pound Dollar at the New York session. And afterwards we also had a counter long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy, because this was the counter trade. Explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see tomorrow. All right guys, so we had amazing trade on Pound Dollar, Dollar CAD. Our bias was long, as you can see here. Price nicely yesterday we have been long here, price nicely respected 200 EMA, and that's what I explained to my trader. We also had a very small short trade, as explained to my trader. Look at this, if the price does not stay below this level, we're expecting a long here. And we also had this beautiful breakout. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. We had a beautiful trade guys, and if I show you here, just give me slightly, make it bigger. Okay, so you can see here we had a beautiful breakout at the London morning session just before London Open. That was a beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, explain my traders time to bank some profit. Afterwards, the price was developing a consolidation because the price was waiting for the New York session. At the New York session, that was a pretty straightforward. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this level. Beautiful announced momentum was bullish. That was a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, explain my traders time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for another pullback. We have another beautiful pullback, but that was the came out of the break even, and some of the traders are still holding long on Dollar CAD. Good luck. All right guys, as you can see here how we analyze market in 4-hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, and banking profit every single day. So if you would like to see all that analysis in real time and banking profit in real time, or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.